Hey there, homeowners! Ready to dive into 2025's best custom home design trends? If you're dreaming of creating a space that's perfectly tailored to your lifestyle and needs, keep watching. First up, let's talk about open-concept living spaces. This trend is all about enhancing functionality and flow. Imagine your kitchen, dining, and living areas seamlessly blending together. It's perfect for entertaining guests or just keeping an eye on the kids while you cook. Plus, it makes your home feel incredibly spacious. Next on the list is energy efficiency. Going green is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Think sustainable materials, solar panels, and smart technology that reduces your carbon footprint. Not only do you help the planet, but you also save on utility bills. Win-win. Moving into the heart of your home, the kitchen. Personalized kitchen designs are a must in 2025. Custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, and practical layouts are all about optimizing space and functionality. Whether you're a gourmet chef or an occasional cook, a well-designed kitchen makes all the difference. Now, who doesn't love a little luxury? Spa-like bathrooms are making waves this year. Think walk-in showers, soaking tubs, and heated floors. These features not only add comfort but also boost your home's value. It's like having your personal retreat right at home. Let's not forget about smart home technology. Imagine controlling your lighting, security, and temperature with just a tap on your phone. Integrated home automation makes life so much easier and your home more secure. Outdoor living areas are also a big hit in 2025. Patios, decks, and entertainment zones extend your living space beyond four walls. Whether it's a summer BBQ or a quiet evening under the stars, outdoor spaces are perfect for any occasion. Lastly, multifunctional rooms are a game changer. Design spaces that adapt to your changing needs, like home offices or guest suites. Flexibility is key in today's fast-paced world. By incorporating these design ideas, you can create a home that's not just stylish and functional, but also uniquely yours. So what are you waiting for? Get inspired and start planning your dream home today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design tips.